In 2022, BSI published the international standards PAS 1918 for TPM, sponsored by Japan Institute Plant Maintenance. PAS 1980 is a guide to TPM for manufacturing plants and equipment, focusing on the basic concept of TPM and related KPIs. TPM is a management system for equipment and productivity, primarily in the discrete parts manufacturing and process industries, with the aim of reducing losses to zero. Since JIPM proposed TPM in 1971, it has been adopted in various manufacturing industries around the world. With the release of PAS 1980 to the world, people will have solid information about TPM, which will enable them to be more productive and grow sustainability. We hope the PAS 1980 will be of service to you.